Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Rottay adjustable and retractable aluminum alloy laptop stand. So here in this video I'm doing the unboxing, and of course I'm going to show you how this really works in real life. So we get this in this nice box, so this could also work then as a nice gift if you know somebody who is struggling with the laptop working position. Also this could be a really nice thing as well for Christmas or birthday. Here get some basic instructions how to use that, but it's super simple. I'm going to show you that. Here's what we get. It's nicely protected in the box. Here we can see that everything is nicely built. There are no sharp edges or so, and everything is protected also underneath with these four rubber feet. Here you can see that it is very solid. It's absolutely not moving. We have also these rubber feet everywhere here also on top, and it's also instructed here very simple with these stickers on top. So to open that we have to push in here, and we can already open this thing here. Then the next step is here to push and then pull it up a little bit, and after that we can extend the whole thing with pushing here, and you can see how nicely this works. So here again the whole thing from a little bit further away. We can move this arm here really up and down, full way from fully down to fully up, absolutely no problems. You can find your perfect position, and also here this angle it can be adjusted like limitless, basically absolutely limitless. And here the height again. So this is fantastic, nicely built. And we get also these cooling openings here, which is really important if you have a high performance laptop. And then you have basically two possibilities. You can work directly here on top. Some people prefer to work here on the keyboard, but some people prefer to work down here with an additional wireless keyboard. So you have both options. And at the end of the day, you can easily fold this thing and put it together in seconds, and then take it in your backpack or whatever you want to do, or store it in your desk, or just leave it there because it's really beautiful. But it's definitely not too heavy, let's say, to put it in a backpack and take it with you. So really nice one, everything perfect. I haven't found any problem with that, so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.